Welcome back, everybody. It's Pierre from the Howard's Adventures. And the last time aboard the Carnival Sunshine, everything felt unstoppable. Laughter echoed through the decks, plates were full, spirits was high. As we cruised toward our first destination, convinced that the journey was unfolding exactly as planned. But what no one told us was that the sea doesn't care about your plan. Overnight, something shifted. By morning, anticipation had turned into silence. Smiles faded, questions spread. The port was right there, visible, close enough to touch, yet unreachable. We had arrived at our first stop, and there was something that we realized. We were not getting off the ship. Okay, as you can see, we are not at Half Moon Cay. Half Moon Cay is that way because they say it was too choppy. All the boats was already there. The tenders was there. The pilot boat was there. And we got ready to board at 8:30, and they said nope, too choppy. And the ship said, "Oh, ship," and it spun around, and now we're already sailing to the next destination. And as you can see, everybody's in the pool. Yeah. Alrighty. Yep. So we'll see what happens next. Alright. We have been canceled, but still got to have some fun. So meanwhile, I want to introduce you to some new friends.
I'm Robbie and my wife.
Robbie and Christy, and they are from Fredericksburg, Virginia, and also Manio.
Yes.
And they are grieving like the rest of us. So we'll see what happened on this next venture of this next island. What's the next island we go to?
Grand Turk.
Grand Turk.
Yes.
Alright. We're going to be docking there, so I think we're going to make it.
Yes. Hopefully we're going to make it.
Yeah, we're going to make it. Alright, get back with y'all. Once the announcement came through, it was official. The Bahamas was off the table. No walking the pier, no island breeze. Just the quiet realization that our plans had changed again. So instead of standing still, we did the only thing we could do. We moved. We walked the ship deck by deck, watching other passengers process it the same way we were. Some disappointed, some confused, some already determined to turn lemons into lemonade, and slowly that anger shifted. The sunshine was still moving, the music was still playing, and the vacation wasn't canceled. It was just rerouted. Before long, we found ourselves laughing again, lining up for ship activities, soaking up the views, and even hitting the putt-putt course. Because if you're stuck at sea, you might as well compete under the open skies. Clubs swinging, jokes flying, ocean stretching endlessly around us. No Bahamas, no problem mine. Because this wasn't the end of the story. It was just the moment we decided to make the ship the destination.
What's up, fam?
We ain't taking no score. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, just playing.
Just playing.
Yeah, just playing. That's what's up.
That's all.
Yeah,
Working on the skill.
yeah. That's the second time it got you, Caitlin. It's the second time it cheated you, girl. I seen it with my own eyes. Just chilling. Uh-oh. That's your cigar lounge, ain't it, boy?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
You ain't hit a stogie yet, have you?
I haven't. This is where it's at right here.
This way it's...
From outside on the putt-putt course to inside of the beautiful atrium, the Carnival Sunshine always have something magnificent for you, even if it's watching the elevators go up and down the shaft. Selena over here playing her. What game is that? No. But anyway, we just chilling over here at the bar. Got my new family over here. Right there. Pennsylvania. Straight from Philly. Alright, tell the world who you are. You from
Jersey.
Jersey in the house. My way.
Come on, put your phone down.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Jersey.
Jersey boy all the way.
My main man.
South Jersey.
South Jersey, that's right.
Anything above Trenton is a toilet bowl. Anything above Trenton is a toilet bowl.
That's my fam right there. That's my fam.
Where's your switcher channel?
Okay. I don't know if y'all can see this. Okay, see you guys. Okay, God bless you. We'll see you. I don't know if y'all can see this, but those braces tore my straw up. What the world? Hold on. Tore my straw up. That's what braces will do. This is my main man, Jim Core, right
Hello.
here. He's been amazing.
Good morning. Come to Carnival.
He's the best.
Vacation.
That's right.
Our
My main man, Jim Core, always made sure that we had fresh everything, including these dope folded animal towels. Next up was Elegant Night, and for the first time all day, everything slowed down. The ship transformed and the lighting softened. Music flowed through the halls, and suddenly disappointment gave way to confidence. Dressed up and feeling good, we stopped into the dining room like the storm had never happened. Crisp outfits, clicking glasses, plates arriving like works of art. We might not have made it to the Bahamas, but we were still very much on vacation. Laughter returned to the table. Conversations lingered. Every bit felt earned after the emotional roller coaster of the day. Elegant Night wasn't just about dressing up. It was about reclaiming the moment, choosing joy, and showing the sea that it didn't get the final word. No port, no problem. Because that night, aboard the Carnival Sunshine, we showed up anyway. We followed the music straight down into the atrium, and listen, Motown was in full effect. The floor was packed, and the crowd was locked in, and baby, they were getting down. They were two-stepping, spinning, singing every word like it was 1972 all over again. Oh, and the vibes were absolutely intact. The next morning, everything felt different. Some of us stepped out on the deck, and for the first time in days, there it was, land. Solid, still, and real. After endless water and unanswered questions, the shoreline felt like a promise, like proof that the journey was finally turning in our favor. All the cameras came out. Smiles came back, and for a moment, we just stood there soaking it in. Because after everything we've been through at sea, seeing land meant hope. I see a bunch of different islands all around us. I feel kind of handicapped. I can't look at my map. Well, actually, I probably can. I don't have my phone with me right now. But we are definitely coming upon Grand Turk, which it looks like it's going to be that island right there.
Morning.
Good morning to you. Right up there. Alrighty. So I'm just up drinking my coffee this morning, and I'm about to go and get some food. There it goes back there in the background back there. If I can get it stable, there you go. Ah, there we go. Back there in the background. Alright, so let's get going, and we already have our bags packed. So all we really have to do is get off the ship and get to doing what we're gonna do. And until then, let's finish up this coffee. We are pulling up on Grand Turks. The black captain is gonna take that pier right there.
But yeah, like I have something to say. We just only have to
Good morning. Getting off of the ship. Put this sailing sign card up.
Sarah took a picture, yeah.
Oh, I'm good. When my wife come out. Okay. All right. We have the Holland America right there, right beside our ship, the Carnival Sunshine. And this is what it looks like at the port. Getting off of the ship. Right, we're gonna hook up this microphone real quick. All right, there we go. So we have people getting off of the ship right here. They have a nice area where people can sit and relax and wait for their parties. And we have another cruise ship, the Holland America.
Good morning.
Right there. And this is what the pier looks like. We're gonna be meeting at tent 6 apparently at 11 o'clock. We're gonna be doing the tram ride around the island to see the different places of the island. Okay, so let's stroll on down here and see what's happening down here at the pier area. Got everybody out and about, walking, relaxing, excited to have feet on solid ground. Oh, let me let you see this beautiful water. Yeah, buddy. Can't wait to get my feet off up in that. After days of uncertainty, this was it. The moment our feet finally touched dry land. One step off of the ship, and just like that, the weight of the journey lifted. Around us, the pier came alive. Passengers lining up, laughter in the air, everybody ready to step into the day. From above, the island revealed itself. Turquoise water, the pier stretching out, and that sign waiting for us all. Welcome to Grand Turk. We made it, not just to land, but to the moment we've all been waiting for. Stay tuned for part 3 of this exciting Christmas cruise to the Caribbean. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. I'm Pierre from the Howard's Adventures. Deuces.